Flavors Fam, restaurant style dal fry. Yes, we all love it. Try this simple and flavorful recipe to make restaurant style dal fry in instant pot. If you like this recipe, be sure to hit the like button. For more recipes, subscribe to Flavors Family. Set instant pot on saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons oil, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, green chili, and onion. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add tomato. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. Add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix spices. Cancel saute mode on instant pot and transfer cooked masala in a bowl. Add tur dal and 2 cups of water. Close lid and set instant pot on pressure cook mode for 8 minutes. Wait until pressure is released naturally, then open lid. Set instant pot on saute mode again. Add cooked masala in boiled dal and mix well. Add 1.5 cups of water and mix well. Let dal come to a simmer, then cancel saute mode. Add lemon juice and mix. Dal fry instant pot is ready. Garnish and serve hot with jeera rice.